Meaning of 4th of July.
4th of July.
4th of July.
4th of July.
4th of July. 4th of July is a national holiday celebrated in the United States to commemorate the country's independence from Great Britain in 1776. Also known as Independence Day, it marks the adoption of the Declaration of Independence by the Continental Congress. The day is typically celebrated with parades, fireworks, and other public and private events. It is a time for Americans to come together to celebrate their freedom and honor the country's history and founding principles. The 4th of July is a beloved holiday that has become an important part of American culture.